Okay, so as you guys have noticed, this song is very short. Okay? Very, very short. It starts off, the priesthood is restored. So we have priesthood restored, the truth made known to man. So we start with this note, truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. So this is going to be a quick and easy one. I really like that we're doing this song because the priesthood is very important for us to know about and understand and realize the power of it and how it can help us in our lives. All right, so here we go. Let's practice singing this song. Whoops, sorry. Oh, sorry, it somehow went to the wrong song. Okay, there we go. The priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. Okay, so let's go through that one more time. Okay, just so we can remember it. Okay. The priesthood is restored, the truth made known to man, that God has spoken to the earth. His power is here again. All right, so practice that song, practice the words, and I have a little activity for you on the next slide.